In this review, we will be discussing in details about the best projector prices available in the market today. This list was created based on my viewpoints as well as the cost situation in the market. So whether you need best projector prices, this list will show the products available for that. If you want more information and price, please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.
Purchasing the perfect product for your usage is our topmost priority. We aim to give away our best guidelines for you, the viewers only, so you won't hesitate or get confused while selecting the products from the market. Thanks for staying with us. Your satisfaction gives us the motivation for uploading more awesome videos.
iReviewBuzz presents Top 5 Best Projector Prices. Let's get started. Number 1. BenQ TH670 Projector. The BenQ TH670 might be a bit more than you were looking to spend, but it's almost impossible to find a better projector in terms of quality versus price. The TH670 has a full 1080p resolution, 3000 ANSI lumens of Brighton, 10,000:1 high contrast ratio, and built-in speakers. Those speakers could be a hair bit more powerful, but for the price, it's hard to complain too much. The projector is capable of images spanning from 60 to 120 inches across, and its lamp is rated for 4,000 to 10,000 hours depending on which modes you primarily use. Input-wise, it offers computer in composite video into one and HDMI.
Check product link and price on video description below. Please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell button for more updates.
Number 2. Optoma HD142X Theater Projector. In a very solid second place is Optoma's excellent HD142X projector. It has a full 1080p resolution, 3000 ANSI lumens of brightness, 23,000:1 high contrast ratio, and built-in 10-watt speakers. It even supports 3D video to boot. Optoma says that the lamp life ballpark for the HD142X is somewhere in the ballpark of 8,000 hours, and claims that it would last around 10 years if you watched a 2-hour movie every single day. Input-wise, the HD141X offers 2x HDMI plus MHL V1.2, perfect for hooking up a PS4 or 3D Blu-ray player. Number 3. BenQ W1070 Home Theater Projector. Yes, we're really including 2 BenQ projectors on this list. While the TH670 is still king of the proverbial projector castle, the W1070 isn't a bad third choice. We say that because it makes a fair amount of trade-offs. Yes, you're still getting the awesome 1080p resolution, but you're also getting the poor 10,000:1 contrast ratio. Worse though, you're losing a bit of light output. At least, there's still plenty of inputs should you need them. 2x HDMI. Component and VGA inputs are all here. That being said, if a good deal pops up on one of these, this shouldn't be overlooked. Number 4. Acer H5380BD Home Theater Project. At one time, Acer's H5380BD was king of the world with its 1280 into 720 resolution and 2-watt speakers. But now, there's a new king in town rocking 10 watts of audio prowess and full HD. That doesn't mean you need to relegate Acer's entry-level home theater projector to the dustbin. However, it's still plenty capable for most folks looking for something cheap. So where did it go wrong? The H5380BD only has a 720p resolution, but at least puts out 3000 ANSI lumens of brightness. It has a 17,000:1 contrast ratio, but only 3-watt built-in speakers. That said, the projector is capable of images spanning from 300 inches across, and its lamp is rated for 4,000 to 10,000 hours, depending on which modes you primarily use. Input-wise, it offers HDMI, composite video, S-video, and 2 VGA ports. Number 5. Optoma UHD60 4K Projector. They may have taken their own sweet time getting here, but 4K projectors using DLP technology are finally starting to arrive. The first of these affordable UHD beasts is the Optoma UHD60, a 4K HDR projector that has all the benefits of a standard DLP projector, plus a few of the perks of a 4K flat screen. The UHD60 is a prime contender for AV Bargain of the Year, delivering genuine 4K and HDR thrills at a price that instantly leaves many of its rivals with some serious explaining to do. Please check the product link below the description. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.
Thanks for watching us. Please subscribe to our channel for more updates.
If you watched our videos, please don't forget to like and share our videos so that others can get benefit from it. For more updates and notifications, please subscribe to our channel by clicking the bell icon.